I just discovered this tiny little product in our database that triggered a huge question. What do ecom trends tell us about doomsday? When I looked below the surface, what I found blew my mind. Of all the niches that I recommend people sell in, this is easily the most secure and the most profitable. There is a billion-dollar industry lurking in the shadows of e-commerce, growing as we face more fear and uncertainty about the future, about resources, about war. Now, I'm a trend analyst that uses a massive database that analyzes millions of data points and trend signals, and then I use those signals to identify trending products before they actually blow up. So come with me as we analyze this cute little product that might be signaling the growth of a multi-billion-dollar industry this year alone. At the end of this short video, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of trending products that align with this niche that you can start selling right now. Now, it's going to be a quick one. I'm pausing my work to just bring this to you right away so you can stay up to date on the latest trending products, the latest niches, and stay one step ahead of your competition. So the product in question is the water filter straw. Now, these stood out to me because they only have a few thousand searches per month, and that number of people searching is growing by close to 10,000%. 10,000. That kind of growth usually tells us that something huge is right around the corner. So it got me wondering, how and why could this tiny little cute water filter straw be blowing up so much right now? So I did some research, and what I found kind of scared me a little. There's an ecom niche of self-sufficiency products that are a huge driver in the growth of, let's call it the doomsday preparedness market. Now that market, for the record, is worth about $1.32 billion right now, projected to hit $2.26 billion by 2033. Now it makes sense that this one would pop up. I mean, water filtration is ranked as a top 3 of any preparedness kit alongside with food and shelter. Now the TikTok hashtag survival kit exceeds 500 million views, and water purification tools are often featured. So I started to think, what else have I seen in our database recently that also aligns with this trend? So I went back, and what I found is nuts. Consumer behavior shows that people are bundling and buying millions of dollars of products across several categories. Take solar-powered gadgets, for example. That market by itself is already worth over $74 billion in 2025, set to hit over $83 billion by the end of this year, and that's 13% annual growth, which is unprecedented. Side note, if right now I had an e-commerce brand, I would definitely think about bundling a water purification device, a solar-powered gadget, and some sort of tent. The other reason I wanted to pause everything and come and share this with you right now is because this is not a one-off fad. This product category has seen long-term demand, but with everything going on in the world right now, that demand is seeing some exponential growth. I know it seems a little seedy, but imagine being able to go back in time and be one of the first people to sell masks after COVID hit. Actually, at the time, I was running an agency that helped the growth of small fashion brands, and one of my clients was a brand that made millions of dollars selling masks during COVID. Pandemics aside, climate-related disasters have increased 5 times in the past 50 years, which increases this perceived need for all these survival tools and products. I mean, I live in Lisbon. We had a massive blackout last year that shut off power across Portugal, Spain, and during that time, we realized how unprepared we were for something like that. We spent the whole day just scouring, trying to find loose change in the couch, canned foods, figuring out what else we had that we could use to sustain ourselves for a while. So it makes sense why there's such huge growth with a product like the water filtration straw. I mean, literally 2 billion people globally lack access to safe drinking water already. So from a fear perspective, it really makes sense why these products are blowing up so much. But the question I had to ask next is, from a business perspective, why are these a good choice? I dug into some of the products that are making the most money, and here's what I found. First of all, these are relatively low-cost products that have an insanely high perceived value. Obviously, you're going to pay $30 for a water filtration straw or radio that'll help you stay up to date in the wake of some disaster. Second, they have a long shelf life. Obviously, emergency radios and these purification straws don't go bad. Neither do survival food rations or tents. Third, these products have no power dependency. I have a solar-powered emergency radio that I bought after that blackout, and it just sits on a shelf in the sun all day, ready if we need it. So once I realized how insanely profitable and in demand this niche is, I scraped through our database through hundreds of products to figure out the best ones that you could sell this year based on the data. So I want to look at products in a couple different categories here. First, let's look at what else is trending within water purification. So aside from the purification straws, in the past 2 years, we've been seeing over 100% growth in searches for water purification tablets and UV water purifiers. Second, there's been an explosion in solar gadgets. As solar power gets more readily available, efficient, portable solar heaters are already making over $200,000 per month, and look at that insane forecasted growth. Foldable solar panels are raking in almost $70,000 per month, with only about 15,000 people actually searching for them every month. Now again, look at that insane forecast growth. Solar power banks, another one that's already blowing up, making about 180 grand per month. Almost 250,000 people every month are searching for solar generators, and they're still climbing their way to that $1 million per month club. Solar inverters that turn solar energy into AC electricity have over 130,000 searches per month. I mean, even gadgets like solar speakers and solar headphones are trending upwards. Anyway, I need to get back to analyzing more trends, but I'll leave you with this. If you want to sell an in-demand e-commerce niche, you have got to jump on this survival gear game. This niche is worth billions of dollars, growing quickly, and we haven't seen growth like this since COVID. Now, if you want to see more products related to this niche that you could sell, just comment survival products below, and I'll drop you some more, no questions asked. If you like this video, if you want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in the e-commerce space, just hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.